Welcome back to ARMEDFORAGER. Today we're going to check out this HIVIZ Shooting Systems FastDot H3. So these are replacement sights for your Glock MOS slide. And it has tritium light pipe technology. So let's install these and check them out. So what I usually use is a pusher of some sort and then that Glock tool. As far as the takedown, you're looking at the same exact thing that you would when field stripping a Glock. So this is completely empty, safe, safety check. Point in the safe direction, pull the trigger, and then remove the slide. At any rate, you need to field strip your slide. Looks a little different with disadvantaged arms, but that's fine. Okay, you can use your Glock tool, get that front sight off. I don't hate Glock sights, but there really are way better options. And this new HIVIZ sight is a way better option. Okay, it's got that little oval right on the bottom there. It's gonna help significantly with the placement. Keeps it from moving side to side. Plop a little thread locker on there. You know what to do. Just a little bit on those threads, that's all. You don't need a torque tool or anything like that to get this in there. Just don't King Kong that sucker in there. Just enough to get it tight. There's the front side, easy peasy, and then you go ahead and grab your backside pusher tool, slide it in, and go to work. I highly suggest if you're going to be replacing your sights for a Glock, even if you're going to do one firearm, to get a pusher. You don't want to be whacking that thing with a hammer or a pin or anything like that. You just want to push this sucker out. It's really no problem. This is actually pretty easy with this. It just goes right on off of there. It doesn't take a whole lot of pressure or pain or anything like that. It just comes sliding right off. So really cool with the bottom of this, it's pushed toward the back. The dovetail insert portion is. And then you can just slide it on in the same way that you slid off the Glock sight. You want to grab your calipers and make sure that both sides are even, like perfectly even. And it will slide over your optic plate. So yeah, if you don't want to use your optic, then this is a good option for that. If it needs fitment, you can put a spacer in there and then go ahead and push it in the same way. Should push over the spacer and not push the spacer out, but that may take some finesse. You take your calipers and make sure that it's even on either side. So kind of like an eclipse, when it turns green on this end, then you know you're on target. If you're interested, we will be doing a range test on this to see how accurate and what type of performance we can get out of this.